I'm Dr. Geeta Haripriya, Chairman, Prashant Fertility Research Center. Prashant Fertility Research Center started in the year 2001. I've been practicing fertility since 35 years and I've qualified in the United Kingdom, and I've come back to India to offer to all the infertile couples the best that is there in the Western world. And with this idea, we started Prashant Fertility. We brought in the technology from the West and we brought in the scientists from Australia, and together we have achieved one of the best success rates in fertility care. And this has really helped in bringing up the organization by leaps and bounds. Over the last 21 years, we have started 5 organizations, and what started off as a 75-bedded hospital is now 600-bedded, and we have really done a wonderful job in terms of giving the best success rates. And how we have achieved this is improving technology, and whatever is there in the Western world, it is there here within a year. And this has really helped us to improve our success rates and bring it to one of the best in the world. Being an entrepreneur is not an easy job. So we had our own difficulties in the beginning. We were so involved in our work that we never bothered about things happening around. We lost a lot of money because people around us were doing whatever they wanted. We couldn't give enough care to them. But then once we knew what was happening, we put in the right people in the right place, and ever since, all this has come down a great deal. We started off, wondering how we can break the monopoly and come up in this, in the fertility sector. So what I did when I came back to India is I brought in the best technology. And how did I exhibit this technology to the others? I organized scientific meetings. I was a speaker in many national and international conferences, and we presented papers. And to the public, most important is the carry home baby rate. Once we had a batch of 25 people, that was my first batch, and we happened to give 67% pregnancy rate, which was quite unheard of at that time, because the normal going pregnancy rate at that point was only about 35%. After that, then I found that adding on technology helps. Even if it's 2 to 3%, still that is a big deal. And this way, we managed to improve our pregnancy rates. And once the scientific people as well as the public knew that we were giving results, then they started coming in. And at that point of time, there was no other publicity given. It was all academic and scientific, and we achieved things only by giving our results. So coming up was not easy at all. The first 1 year was really hard work. It was reading, improving academically, making sure that all things went on. Most important of all, the first cycle, it was very important that we gave good results, because that batch of patients is the one who's going to spread the message to the other people. I set my targets, I work towards the targets, and then only you can achieve success. So my advice would be, find out what you want to, set your goal, set your targets, work towards the target. It involves a lot of hard work. So don't lose hope, because every time you can't expect success. If you do 10 things, you will succeed in 7, but 3 may not work out for you. But that should not be a setback. You should not get dejected. You find out why you have failed. Like my father always used to say, your positives are positives, but you work on your negatives and try to make it positive. So that's what I have done, and that's how I have succeeded in achieving these heights. We've been with PKC for the last 17 years. Ever since we've been with them, we've been quite comfortable. We have grown because we invested well, and the investment guidance was given by PKC. Involving a good auditing team, we feel is one of the best things to be done, because then they take care of that, and we are professionals. We concentrate on our profession, and when the auditing team takes care of all our problems, this really gives us a free mind to carry on with our work.